How to show single tick on WhatsApp. Let's get started. So normally when someone sends you a message on WhatsApp, it shows a double tick once it's delivered. If you want to appear offline or hide that messages are being delivered to you, there are two methods. First one is simple. You can simply turn on airplane mode on, but keep in mind you would not be able to use internet while it's on. For the second method, you can simply turn off airplane mode, then open up your settings. Inside here, scroll below, tap on apps. Inside the app, search for WhatsApp and then tap onto it. Now inside here, you want to make sure you tap on notification, and then you can simply toggle off allow notification button. Hit back, then make sure you turn off live activity button as well. Once you have done this, the next time someone sends you a message, it will show a single tick instead. Just make sure you don't open WhatsApp during this time. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.